Dear brothers and sisters, if you the passage I have read today in Gospel has a similar pattern to that yesterday and the day before yesterday. A question is asked to Jesus, and Jesus' answer is and goes beyond so-called what they have asked. Today we heard the question asked by a scribe, a lawyer, who knew the laws thoroughly. Which commandment is the greatest? And Jesus goes beyond what he has asked. He says, love God and love neighbor. These are actually mentioned in the Pentateuch. We find the first one, love your God and love your neighbor, in the book of Numbers, chapter 6 or chapter 7. The second part is found in the book of Leviticus, chapter 19. So Jesus combined both this. He says, this is the only one commandment. If you say you love God, love your neighbor too. Now for the Jews, what is most important? The Torah, the law, and nothing more than that. What are the laws said if they've obeyed, kept for their salvation? But these Jews had interpreted and reinterpreted the law, the 10 commandments, that they made about 631 commandments, ordinances, observances, which every Jew had to keep. Of which 365 were what they had to do, and the remaining they could not do.